Brian Sensei here. Are you the type of person that has multiple tabs open in their browser when you're doing your work? And do you wish that you could have all of those tabs reopen on the next day when you open your browser? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tab groups in Microsoft Edge to get this done. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is open up the Edge browser. If you don't see it linked in your taskbar below, go ahead and click search and search for Edge and launch it there. All right, so here I am in Microsoft Edge, and moments later, I've now got multiple tabs open here on the Edge browser, but I want to close out of Edge and be able to come back in here and continue working right where I left off. So here's what I can do. I'm going to go over here to the tab at the far left. Then I'm going to go all the way over to the tab at the far right. I'm going to hold Shift on my keyboard and then click this tab. You'll notice that this highlights all of the tabs in between as well. So now I've got all the tabs highlighted. All I have to do is right click on one of them and you'll see this option, Add Tabs to New Group. Click here. Here you have an opportunity to name the group, but you'll notice that with AI, Microsoft Edge makes an attempt to name it for you. I'll call this Music Workspace. Notice here we can give it a custom color if we'd like. And if we decide we want to add a new tab to the group, I can go ahead and click New Tab in Group. It will open up a new tab at the far right, but it's already included in this group. We'll go ahead and add YouTube here. All right, so now we have all of our tabs ready to go. Notice here when I click on the name of my group, everything collapses to give me more space to now add tabs outside of the group. Click it again to expand all the tabs. All right, now this is the best part. Check this out. I'm going to go ahead and close Microsoft Edge. All right, now some time has gone by, or maybe I realized that I wasn't done with my work and I need to open all those tabs right back up. I'm going to come back down to Microsoft Edge, open it up, and boom shakalaka, here's my Music Workspace group already there for me. Again, I can click it to expand and I can quickly get back to my tabs and begin working. All right, some other things in here. If you right click on your group name, you can ungroup all of the tabs. You can close the grouped tabs and you can move the group to a new window. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can close the grouped tabs if you no longer need this group to show up in Microsoft Edge in the future. I'll go ahead and click here. The group is now gone. And now when I close and restart Microsoft Edge, you'll notice that the group does not reload in the browser. All right, and that is how you use tab groups in the Microsoft Edge browser. If you want to see more of these videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification button so you can be notified every time I post new videos. If you have a specific tech tip you'd like me to create, please let me know by completing the form in the description below. And I'll see you on the next one.